Hi guys, it's Catherine and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today you are watching me redo my room. So I got a little bored of my room and I just wanted to switch it up. So I decided to switch it up and these were the results and this is how I did it. Okay, so I have emptied from under my bed. There's only a few little things under there now that I can't actually get because they're right at the back unless I crawl under my bed, but that's a bit nasty. So I've taken all my bed stuff off. I've cleared all there, I've cleared under there as well. And my room just looks a mess that way on. I've stuffed things into my wardrobe, underneath my desk, on top of my mirror. So everything's just everywhere. What I'm actually going to do, I am going to be putting my bed in the middle. I don't know, I thought like I'd put my bed in the middle, like in between the two lights, because I don't know, why not? We're in quarantine, there's nothing else to do. So I might as well just move around my bed a bit, my bedroom a bit. I don't know how I'm going to feel about it because I normally I feel protected by the wall. It's really weird. Like I'll sleep right next to the wall. So I don't know how this is going to go because obviously I won't have a wall to hug. So yeah, this set of 3 drawers is going to go over there, over that side of the room somewhere, either against this wall or against that wall. My bed's going there, and I've worked it out that, well, if I can use a tape measure properly, I can just about, well, I can get my wardrobes open and I can use my chair on my desk. If not, that's going to be a struggle. What I'm going to do now is move my bed away from the wall a bit, just get the few bits and pieces that are underneath my bed. I'm going to get the hoover in, hoover the floor, and move things around, hoover again, and then we'll go from there. Here comes Mrs. Muscles! GCSE art project, my wallpaper, and my heart wall stickers. I've got my Galaxy chocolate bar that you gave me.
You still got it? Have you had any of it?
Yeah, I think I've had all 3, not gonna lie. I've got my hair curling boxes down here. Without it actually being plugged in. Thinking I'm losing the will to live. Oh, I just broke the hoover. I've only gone and done it. Broken the hoover. Whoopsies. Oh my god, I've just realised I'm not going to be able to stick my feet, well, unless I sit like that. But when I'm in bed, I know I sometimes sat here on my phone or something. I'm pretty strange, right? And I sit here with my feet on the wall and like this in the air. and like I mess with my legs like this in the air. I'm not going to be able to do that anymore. See that? I did that with one arm. Got muscles I have. Muscles! About is. I think so, I'm not too sure, not gonna lie. Right, now I've got to work, maybe my desk will fit there after all. I was trying to work out like if my desk, which currently looks like this, this is what my room, this side of the room looks like. I was wondering if I could actually fit. Maybe I could have kept that over there and just got rid of that, because then that would give more room there. Oh, I hate decision making. I'm turning into my mum and my dad. Right, so my plan was to either put my drawers just underneath my sticker because, I don't know, just to make that look a bit more normal, or put it against the wall there, which it would fit. Mid-say setting, switched up the pattern. That's the only problem with my room. If I had my bed like this, there's literally like no other room, which is really, really annoying, not gonna lie. Right, I put my stool, this is my bedside table type thing, which is actually a seat, I'm pretty sure. Down there, you can just about see it. And I'm going to put my drawers against that wall. I have worked out that I can actually put my desk there apparently, even though it looks too big to put in the gap. Then I've got that gap, which is just annoying. See, I've just got a gap there and that just is going to annoy me. Right, I've got some new bedding. It's not the bedding that I like, but you know, it will do, you know. I am now going to take off my old bedding, if you can guess, and put this bedding on. I'm currently on FaceTime to Lucy and to Molly, but Molly's asleep, so. Love it, but then it's like maybe I just need to get used to it because it's just really weird. It makes my room feel very small, like extremely small. Like before I had space to do things and everything, so it does feel like really small now, which is annoying. But my dad said like if I move my desk over there, which might happen, don't know if it will, then it will make it feel a bit bigger, which is what kind of needs to happen. Otherwise it's just going to feel really small. Okay, so as you walk in, you've got my JLS albums. This is what it looks like as you walk in. So like this is all the same. It's just like this side that's moved, like just switched really. So I've moved my hip flex stretcher, obviously this isn't just going to stay there. I need to just finish some hoovering, which I still haven't done, but I don't know how to feel about it because there's that gap there and it just annoys me. So yeah, but then my bed's there, and then beanbag and my bedside table that was there before. That is the end of this video. Really do hope you enjoyed it. There's not much else to say, not gonna lie. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you would like to subscribe, please click here. If you'd like to see another one of my videos, please click there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Sunday at 6 PM. Bye!